To get started with Awardwallet expiration alerts. First, you need to understand what Awardwallet is. Awardwallet is a tool that helps you track your loyalty programs, including frequent flyer miles, hotel points, and credit card rewards. It sends you alerts when your points or miles are about to expire, so you can use them before it's too late. The first step is to sign up for an Awardwallet account. This is a straightforward process that requires some basic information, such as your email address and password. Once you have an account, you can start adding your loyalty programs. This involves entering your account information, including your username, password, and account number. After you've added your loyalty programs, Awardwallet will start tracking your points and miles. It will also send you expiration alerts when your points or miles are about to expire. These alerts are usually sent via email, and they will include information about the program, the number of points or miles that are about to expire, and the date they will expire. To make the most of Awardwallet expiration alerts, it's a good idea to set up custom alerts. This allows you to specify when you want to receive alerts, and for which programs. For example, you might want to receive alerts 30 days before your points or miles expire. Or you might want to receive alerts only for certain programs. Another key concept is the idea of point tracking. Awardwallet allows you to track your points and miles across multiple programs, which makes it easy to see how many points or miles you have, and when they will expire. This information can be used to plan your travel, and to make sure you're using your points and miles before they expire. In terms of best practices, it's a good idea to regularly review your loyalty programs, and to make sure your account information is up to date. This will ensure that Awardwallet can accurately track your points and miles, and send you expiration alerts when necessary. Overall, Awardwallet expiration alerts are a useful tool for anyone who wants to make the most of their loyalty programs. By following these steps, and using the tips and best practices outlined above, you can use Awardwallet to track your points and miles, and receive alerts when they are about to expire. This can help you avoid losing points or miles, and can make it easier to plan your travel.